Welcome to this tutorial on how to generate a QR code using C#. In this tutorial, we'll use the IronBarcode library, which is free for development. So click on Package Manager Console and type the command install package barcode. This will install the IronBarcode library for us. The library's been installed. Go to Program CS file and add namespace using IronBarcode. Write QR code writer dot create QR code parenthesis. Create QR code function is provided by the QR code writer class, which converts our text to QR. So pass your text and argument which you want to encode. I'm writing ironsoftware.com, for example. Now let's save our QR code. IronBarcode provides multiple formats such as JPEG, PNG, GIF, PDF and many more. I'm saving it as PNG file. So pass the path and file name to save the barcode as argument in save as function. Now run the program and wait for the console to execute. That program's been executed, so close the console and let's go to the output folder to see the generated barcode image. See the QR code, its size is a bit large, so let's adjust the size. Close the QR code image and go to Visual Studio. Just pass your required size as second argument in Create QR Code. I'll set the size of the QR code. I've passed 300. Add QR code value. For that, IronBarcode provides two functions. Add barcode value text below barcode and add annotation text above barcode. Function names indicate its clear usage. You just pass the text in the argument, for example, my barcode. Run the program to see the output and wait for the program to execute. The program's been executed, so close the console. Let's go to the output folder to see the generated barcode image. See, size has been reduced, QR annotation and text and QR value has been added as coded. So let's add logo to our QR code. Go to the Visual Studio, remove Create QR Code function and replace it with Create QR Code with Logo function. Pass three arguments: QR code value, your logo file path and QR code size. Run the program to see the output. Wait for the program to execute. Program's been executed, so close the console and let's go to the output folder, see the generated barcode image. We can see that the logo has been added to our QR code. That's all from me. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any further questions, our support team is standing by, ready to help.